What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a great new year. We're going to try to go catch some more trout today in a creek near Canton, North Carolina, and I'm sure a lot of the locals are just nearby. I heard about the flood a few months back, and that really took a toll on it, but it helped some of the fisheries really, and it recreated a lot of holes and pushed a lot of fish in out of some hatcheries, which was awful, but the fishing's great, and we're going to try to catch a few. We got a very good blanket of snow this weekend, so it's definitely a cold day. I think it's dropped down into the teens maybe a couple nights this week, so everything's frozen. It's very cold, but we're going to try to catch them nonetheless, and of course on a streamer. So just stay tuned and let's see if we can go catch a couple. There he is. First one. A rainbow. First one of the day, or rainbow. It's my out again. It froze back up. These things are freezing in just a couple minutes. It makes it impossible to rip line through and cast. What's up, son?
Yo.
What are you doing, son?
About ready to roll?
Yeah, I'll be up there in a minute. I just missed a big one.
Sweet.
What'd you do? Get cold?
Yeah.
Nice.
When I couldn't go nowhere, I wouldn't stand down there and watch them. So
Huh?
I said I wouldn't want to just stand down there in the snow.
I got a fish on right now. Oh.
You caught eagles?
Just lost one. I shouldn't have been trying to fish while I was on the phone, but oh, there's another one. Nice fish. Let me call you back after I land this thing. Pretty nice one. All right. There's one. Another one. I don't know if you can see it because I had my phone sticking up out of my pouch because I was talking to Austin. My cousin, he's actually up there sitting in the truck. He didn't have big boots on, so he couldn't come across the creek, so he just decided to go get in the truck. But that one's a little nicer, and I just lost one right before this, the cast before. They're hitting a little bit. That's a little bit nicer fish than the last. Just another pretty rainbow. try to hit one more little hole and then get out of here. Oh, there's another one right there. Sweet. Oh man, he got off. I was just trying to get my streamer in, really. I got one chasing right now. Try to get one more out of this pocket and I'll get out of here. There he is. Another bow. My hands are so cold from the last one. Kind of cookie cutters in a way. That one's probably a little smaller than the last. Nothing too big. Snow all over my net. Oh yeah. Not as chunky as the last one out of here. Another pretty fish. Pretty fish. Head on back, buddy. Thank you guys for watching another episode, and I hope y'all enjoyed that one. Hopefully we can get out and do some different stuff pretty soon when it warms up a little bit. We do have a tournament coming up this weekend, so about a week after this video is uploaded. But it's just been kind of cold and it's been really stuffy lately, so we ain't got much content. But thank you guys for watching this one. Hopefully we can get some bass fishing videos, and turkey hunting of course is coming, and maybe a few other things. The verse of the week this week is 1 Peter 5:7. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. So similar to the last one, just cast all your cares onto the Lord. That says anxiety, so any hard times, troubles, just go to the Lord with them and let him control them. But we do have a giveaway for the, I guess the first 100 maybe, but the way you enter is subscribe to the channel and send us a picture on Instagram with kind of a brief story. It could be a picture of a fish you caught in 21 or a harvest, a deer, a turkey, whatever it may be. But just shoot us a picture to one of our Instagrams, they'll be in the description, and give us a little bit of a story, and we'll pick 2 winners, one from fishing and one from hunting. So shoot us that, and it'll be probably a couple Yeti bottles or something. So enter into that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching the channel, and just don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Hopefully we can get on a pattern of once a week, maybe a short video in the middle of the week, but at least once a week. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it.